Hi everybody, my name's Melvyn Burgoyne. I'm the founder of Awesome Engineers and I'm talking to you now from our largest centre, which is in Gardenfield School in St Albans. We set up Awesome Engineers 3 years ago and basically what we do in a nutshell is we teach STEM subjects to primary school children, and we do that using our own range of Lego models and session material. My original background is that I come from a software engineering background. I was trained in programming by Rolls-Royce. I decided to actually change what I was doing in my life and found something that I thought had a bit more relevance. I've been very lucky in my career in terms of my software engineer training and the IT industry that I worked in. So I really sort of looked for something that was addressing an educational need. We didn't actually start with Lego, we actually started with a curriculum. So that when we actually looked at starting the company up, we didn't actually think there was other things out there that actually addressed the curriculum in a specific way. There were 4 reasons, if you like, why we set the company up. Firstly, there are 4.7 million primary school children now in the UK, and that's been growing, depending on who you believe, between 8 and 14% a year. Meanwhile, schools are actually suffering from budget freezes, which in real terms means budget cuts, effectively. So we've really felt that we could actually help that and supplement STEM education in that way. So addressing a growing market. The second point, I guess, is always complaining that we don't have enough engineers in the UK. We don't have enough female engineers. We don't have enough engineers. So again, that's something that we thought we could actually help at least start in a very small way. The reason that we pick primary school children is that's the earliest we think that you can engage the children in a structured way. Prior to that, it would be quite unstructured, and as this is specifically against the curriculum, then that obviously makes sense to actually focus on primary school children. And then I guess the last factor is that it makes it relatively easy to deliver, because our instructors are teachers or TAs or even mothers. We can actually train people in the science, technology, engineering and maths that you need to know to be effective in this environment. Where we see the company actually going is, in addition to what we do here, which is almost like an after-school club, well, it is really an after-school club thing, and also at weekends. We also do enrichment days where we'll go into schools and actually work with them around specific STEM subjects for a day with a group of their students, either around a specific subject or a variety of subjects during the day, depending on what they want. And then really the most important thing for us in terms of our growth is we're now looking for people, now that we've got a model which is proven now in terms of how attractive schools, parents and children actually find the Awesome Engineers offering. We're now in a position to be able to actually offer this out to other people to run. So we're actually looking for people to run this as their own little business now in their communities, and we provide all of the Lego, all of the training and all of the session material for them, and they'll just set off and run their own business. And that's the way we see the company actually growing and spreading the name around a little bit more, with hopefully the quality that we've established here.